Hi, hello. I'm Mrs. Diesebel Arcillas of SANHS-Datagan High School, SANHS-Datagan sa Buanga del Sur. I'm here this morning to present my topic about selling and use farm tools. We will define the following terms: equipment, farm implements, and hand tools. Now, when we say equipment, they are a powered machine used in farming. Then the farm implements are accessories pulled by animals or mounted on a machinery to make the work easier. Then the third one is the hand tools. The term hand tools are objects that are usually light and are used without the help of animals and machine. This morning, we will focus only on the hand tools. So, the hand tools we are being used in performing farm activities, which involve small areas like school garden and home garden. Usually, these hand tools are also referred to a hand-held hand tools. We can use this one by using our hand. Then, the hand tools are classified according to each uses. First, we have here the cutting or harvesting tools. Second, the digging tools. And the third one is the cultivating tools. And what are these cutting or harvesting tools? They are now a bulo. The first one is a bulo. Now this bulo is used for cutting tool process and chopping branches of trees. There are times in English like slashing bulo, and the bruna that is very common in our farm tools. They also belong to the bulo. The next one, we have the pruning shears. Now, the pruning shears is for cutting branches, planting materials, and other unnecessary branches of the plants. Now, these pruning shears are also be used in performing asexual propagation, like for example, the marketing or layering, as well as in performing a budding. So these materials or these tools are being used. This is what we call a pruning shears. Another one, we have an axe. Axe is used for cutting a bigger size post. Then, the next, knife is for cutting planting materials or performing other operations in horticulture. Now, the knife, it has also a class. It is what we call budding knife. So, excuse me, kanina I mentioned that the pruning shears is used for performing asexual propagation. I will be mistaken of that because that is only for the knife. Because knife, one example of it is a budding knife that we can perform asexual propagation like marketing and or layering. So I'm very sorry that I will mention kanina that the pruning shears will be used in that because pruning shears is very good to use in harvesting crops or cutting unnecessary branches of it. Next, sickle is a hand-held agricultural tool with a variously curved blade typical use for cutting weeds. So the next one is the digging tools. Another classification, this is another classification of farm tools, the digging. So example of it is the crowbar. It's used for digging big holes and for digging out big stones and stumps. Second, the pick mattock is used for digging canals, breaking hard topsoil, and for digging up stones and tree stumps. The next is the spade and the shovel. Please do not wonder that this slide I present two objects or two pictures of the tools because it makes us confused on how to identify these two farm tools. Now try to look on the slide. It has a difference in its appearance, but they have same uses. Like for example here, the spade, look at the appearance, the blade is flattened, and the shovel, it looks like a spoon. No, it is a spoon-like. So, spade glass is used for removing trash or soil, digging canals or ditches, and mixing soil mixture. Now, when we see sowing mixture, you can mix the sand, the compost, or even the ordinary soil, or the soda. Then you're going to mix it. So, it is better to use the spade. Another one, the shovel or spoon-like hand tool is called shovel, and that is used for removing trash, digging loose soil, moving soil from one place to another, and for mixing soil mixture. So they belong to the digging tools. Spading fork is used for loosening the soil, digging out root crops, and turning over the materials in a compost heap. The last is the cultivating tools. Now, these cultivating tools are being used in loosening and leveling the soil. That is under the cultivating, or even in preparing the area or clearing the area. The first example is the grab hoe. It's used for breaking hard topsoil and for pulverizing the soil. The second example is a rake. Now, rake is used for cleaning the ground and leveling the topsoil. The hand trowel is used for loosening the soil around the growing plants and holding small amount of manure fertilizer in the soil. Now, this hand trowel, this can also used in healing up the plants. No? Healing up the plants. This can be used also. Then, the hand cultivator and the hand fork is another example of a cultivating tools. Again, I put also in a one slide so that we can also identify these two, the hand cultivator and the hand fork. Look at the appearance. For the hand cultivator, you can see that the blade is curved down, curved down. Whereas the hand fork, the blade is straight down, straight lang siya. So when we see hand cultivator, it's used for cultivating the garden plot. If you want to make the plot or bed of your garden, it is very good to use the hand cultivator so that you can loosen the soil and remove weeds around the plants. You can also use that one. The second is the hand fork that is used for inter-row cultivation. Now, before I end with my topic this morning, I will give you this statement. Please bear in mind that beautiful hands are those that work.